Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to show how to give users you have created, customers for instance, access to projects you want them to see and nothing else. So in order to do that, I'm going to log in the main website at SprayLogger.agterra.com, go to Administration, People, Profiles, and then Edit User Permissions. From here, I can select what type of user I'm doing. So I'm going to hit User, select one. There's their information. So if I need to make any adjustments to their information, I can do that here. But now I can scroll down to the bottom and decide what what jobs I want them to be able to see. I can select those as I need to. Hit my arrow, and that'll move over. So this will make sure that this user only has the ability to see these three jobs. I can come back at this page and edit at any time, deciding which jobs I want them to see and which jobs I don't want to. If I want to take one off the list, I can select it and move it back. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to edit the jobs that specific users can see in the SprayLogger system.